Hi guys, and welcome to Neat Video Tutorials. In this tutorial, I'll tell you how to start using your Neat Video denoiser in DaVinci Resolve. Once you have downloaded and installed Neat Video, start DaVinci Resolve and find Neat Video and Effects. Open FX, scroll down, and here you will see Neat Video and Reduce Noise version 5. Potentially, you can apply Neat Video on 3 tabs: Edit, Fusion, and Color. We recommend using it on the Color tab as Resolve and Neat Video communicate better this way. However, you may find that the Edit or Fusion tabs suit you better, so it's up to you. Here on the Color tab, you can see a corrector node that was generated automatically. We recommend applying Neat Video on a separate node. To do that, find Neat Video in the Effects library and add the Reduce Noise effect as a second node. Now, Neat Video is added to the node tree, but the magic hasn't happened yet. To have noise reduction working, we still need to configure the effect. For the best noise reduction, choose a frame that has both lots of noise and large featureless areas like sky. Now, click Prepare Noise Filter button. Here in Neat Video's window, you can build a noise profile and change filter settings. But before proceeding to noise reduction, make sure Neat Video's optimized for your hardware. Go to Tools, Preferences, Performance. Here, click the Optimize Settings button and click Start. When this test finishes, click the Accept Best Combination button. Also, check that this slider is moved to the green mark and click OK. And now we are set to clean this noisy clip. Click Auto Profile. Check that the area selected for profiling is completely flat and has no details. You can also choose your own area for profiling and click Build Profile, then switch to the Adjust and Preview tab. You can try changing some of these values, but in many cases, there is no need to do that. Now click Apply. Neat Video has been applied to the clip. That's pretty much it. For more advanced tips, make sure you watch our other tutorials. You should see the links to some of them on the screen and in the description. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. We'll be happy to help. And bye for now.